Go.
So hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a bulletproof coffee for keto diet or ketogenic diet. So here it goes. So as you know, ketogenic diet is high fat and no sugar or no carb diet. So here's the ketogenic coffee that I'm going to show you, which is called bulletproof coffee. So I need water, boiling water, and then blender, and this one is like almond milk and pure coffee, instant coffee though, but it's 100% natural. And this one is cocoa and sweetened one, it's a Filipino one. Okay, first I'm going to add 2 spoons of this coffee grounds. Is it coffee grounds? Yes. Just like 2 spoons. One. So next I'm going to add this unsweetened cocoa powder. Just like half. No. Just like, okay. I'm going to throw in the almond milk, 2 cups of almond milk. So I don't know, I'm not going to use a copy. I think that was okay, right? I'm going to use butter instead of MCT oil, which is like popular for ketogenic diet instead. So yeah, let's just put half of it or 1/3, the whole thing I think. See, and then water, just like this one is enough. So you can choose either hot or cold coffee, but since we used butter for this coffee, we need to have a hot water, of course. So you can use a fake sugar, but we don't have any for today, so we're just going to have these ingredients that I showed you earlier. So it's time for us to blend, and good. Creates foam at the top. Okay, so I'm going to finish the procedure. This is so huge. So this is a sugar-free bulletproof coffee. And thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.